Are you ready to take a ride into the future? Because today, we're diving deep into the groundbreaking world of Tesla, the car that's changing everything we thought we knew about driving. From sleek, futuristic designs to mind-blowing features like Autopilot, self-parking, and lightning-fast acceleration, Tesla is not just a car, it's an experience. Imagine sitting back, letting your car do the driving, all while producing zero emissions and saving the planet 1 mile at a time. Whether it's the insane power of the Model S Plaid, the family-friendly comfort of the Model Y, or the head-turning style of the Cybertruck, Tesla is leading the charge into a smarter, cleaner, and more exciting future. This isn't just for car lovers, it's for anyone who believes in innovation, technology, and a better tomorrow. So if you're amazed by what Tesla can do, smash that like button and show your support. Got a friend who's into tech or cars? Share this video with them, they'll thank you later. And most importantly, if you want to keep up with all the latest, coolest, and most futuristic content we bring each week, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a moment. Let's drive into the future together with Tesla.